Alrighty then, greetings everybody and welcome back to another Honkai Star Rail video. And for today's video, I'll actually be using Gallagher in an Acheron team, and that is because in this video right here, I mentioned how Gallagher should be in T0, not T0.5 in Prior's tier list. And one of my reasonings was because Gallagher is a multi-use character. You can use him in an Acheron team and obviously in, well, his best in slot team being a Casterized team, but he works exponentially well in an Acheron team, allowing my Acheron to get 5 or 6 ults in just a singular cycle, and that is exactly what I'm going to be proving to you guys here today. So with all this being said, if you like this type of content, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing, and let's get into the showcase already. Shall we? Oh my god, holy shit, I gotta yawn. Oh, this is actually perfect. It being in the middle might just be the best case scenario ever for Acheron's ultimate and just for Acheron as a whole, because she does have a AoE E, right? It's AoE, right? I'm pretty sure it's AoE, right? Oh, it's blast. Okay, I said it wrong. But this is ult number 1 out of 5 or 6 for my E to Acheron with Gallagher, right? Now let me talk a little bit more about Gallagher. And Gallagher in this team is actually really well. Really good. I don't know why I said really well. He's really good. He allows you to get two stacks when you use his ultimate. Sorry, I am buffering right now because I'm trying not to fucking yawn. I don't know why. I've been yawning like crazy. It's so annoying. And it's only 5. It's like 5:47 p.m. and I've been yawning like crazy. So please do forgive me if I buffer a little bit. I promise I'm not slow. I'm just trying not to yawn because I've been in like a yawning mood recently and I have no idea. But what was I saying? Pretty sure something about Gallagher. Gallagher's ultimate allows you to get 2 stacks for Acheron. And typically for an average built Gallagher, that's not really that impressive. But if your Gallagher is better than mine, which mine is suboptimal, and even then with a suboptimal Gallagher I'm still getting a lot of stacks, trust me when I say your Gallagher would be thriving, actually thriving. Like, look at this, just look at the stacks that we're about to gain right now. 2 stacks for doing what? For just being alive. And now this Acheron ultimate should kill, hopefully. I don't think it's gonna kill. It did kill. Oh, okay. I needed that to kill. That's 3 ults in so far in a cycle. Gonna be a lot more. We're heading into ult number 4. 4 out of 5. Hope we could try to get 6. Do I think we can? Low key, no. But we're just still gonna try. Okay. This is ult 5. Yeah, this is ult 5. Or 4? No, that's ult 5. Ult 5 out of 6? Wait, was that ult 4? Bro, how did I lost count? Wait, what the fuck? I lost count already? Editor me would know what ult was that, because I actually have no idea. Wait, how do I know? And I messed up my ultimate. I don't have the Sunday buff. This ult is not gonna hit that hard. What ult would this be? This ult. What was that? Was that ult 6? I could be wrong. I really could be. I have no idea what ult that was. Ult 5 or 6. I know I definitely hit that threshold right there. 100%. I just don't know by how much, because I have no idea what that was. But we're gonna be ulting here. Unfortunately, we're gonna be ulting here. We're gonna be ulting right here again. Getting some more stacks. Ult right here again. Getting some more stacks. And we should get some stacks right here, or not. Okay, weird, but that's fine. I actually have no idea how many ults we threw at this guy in the first cycle of this fight, but I mean, my point was proven. Now I'm just doing a standard run right? Trying to clear as fast as possible, right? But I mean, what? Oh, how many ults? I'm actually so lost right now because I don't know where I was in the counter. Editor me would know, but me right now, I got no idea. I'm lost as balls right here. Not a 2-cycle clear. Probably could have been if I played better. Actually, I don't even think. No, maybe. I don't want to just start saying shit just because of a skill issue. But low-key, maybe could have been 2 cycles. You guys let me know what you think. I'm doubting myself in that. Well, maybe not, right? I'm leaning more towards the maybe not side than anything else, right? But we should be able to get the clear here because this guy doesn't have no damage reduction. And I mean, it should just be as simple as an E doing 130 into another. And my final Acheron ult. I wonder how many ults was that in what, 3 cycles? That was a 3-cycle clear, right? A 3-cycle clear. How many ults was that? Editor me would put it on screen, right? But with that being said, I'm pretty sure I proved my point that Gallagher should be T0, not T0.5. I would use him in a break team, but I literally don't have Fugue. I just have Firefly and Ron May. No Fugue, and I'm not gonna use Harmony MC, so a bit unfortunate. But with all this being said, if you like this type of content, please do consider liking, commenting, and subscribing, and just letting me know. And yeah, see ya. Thank you so much for the views.